What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create a construction WordPress website using Astra WordPress theme for free in just a few minutes. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard to access dashboard, your domain plus WP admin or WP login, enter with credentials and review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over appearance and hit the submenu themes. Once on themes, click on add new. We're gonna be installing the Astra WordPress theme, so just search into the upper right corner of your screen to search themes, type Astra, or find the Astra theme right here. Click on install now. Then click into the activate button. The theme is gonna redirect you to the theme welcome page. We're gonna need to click into this button. Let's get started with smarter starter templates. Click on starter templates. Activating. Wait a moment. Now we're gonna have two options: AI website builder or classic starter templates. I'm gonna choose classic starter templates. Then you can choose the site builder. You can make it with site editor, the Gutenberg, or Elementor. I prefer the Elementor, okay? But it's up to you. Now into the search box, we're gonna need to type construction, and right here we're gonna be able to find a couple of construction templates you can play with, okay? There is some really nice ones. My favorite one is this one right here, okay? There is premium ones and free ones. I'm gonna choose to keep things for free, so I'm gonna choose this template. If you click, you're gonna be able to see the website when it gets finished, okay? Here is how the website gonna looks like, with all the contents. This page is right here: project, services, about, contact us. We can change the font, we can change the colors, or we just can click on continue, blue button. Now, we're gonna need to choose, in the case that we want these extra plugins, okay? We have contact form. This need to be used to create the contact form, and the page builder, but others is up to you, okay? You can select or not. I will not select, so just click on continue. Click on continue once again. I understand. Submit and build my site. Now, just wait a couple of moments because we're gonna be importing the templates, the pages, the forms, the images. This can take more or less time according to the performance of your server, the capabilities of your servers, okay, the hosting. But normally it's fast. As you can see, I did not cut the video and we are almost finished. All completed, okay? Now we can visit dashboard or view your website. Let's view the website. And here is the website. And it's fully editable, it's fully customizable using Elementor Page Builder. You can change these contents, but I'm gonna explain how to change things into the other video. So just subscribe the channel so you can follow our journey building and customizing our construction site, okay? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you guys tomorrow. All the best!